Hey guys. Today this is a mini vlog, and we're in a big, huge thunderstorm, and I'm in my front porch, and look how much rain is dripping. Oh my god! I just saw some hail just drop, so I don't know, but I will give you a update. We're in a tornado watch right now. Now it's just, I don't know, but I can't go any more farther than this because one, literally injured, and two, it's just chilling. But right now we're in a big, huge thunderstorm. Yeah. By the way, this is from a injury from somewhat a between a walking golf injury, rare one, and also I got hit by a iron and a couple golf balls. But so far, this is just chilling. But wish me luck. Bye.